people of Konzo East, looking at the climatic change that we are facing today, are requesting for a major irrigation scheme to utilize the rivers of Nyamugasani and Kanyambara. They believe if this is done, we shall increase domestic food and food for export into DRC.
You, the people of Kasese, are the best witnesses for peace, because you know what peace means, and you know what lack of peace means. You have seen it here in Kasese and the Rwenzori in general, and you also live near Congo. And therefore, we told people that you must be clear that yes, peace is there, development is there, but you must deal with poverty in your home. We said there are a number of steps each family needs to take. First step, stop producing for the stomach only, produce for the stomach and the pocket. And secondly, do so with the chivaro. And those who have listened have done well.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.